Hi guys, so today I will show you how to use the 303 strategy together with the signal on the right here, which is the investing.com signal. Well, first I will show you how to do the setup before you can use the 303 strategy. It's really easy, just a few clicks there, so just follow me with that. Well, first of course you have to log in, so after login you will see a screen like this, and then what you need to do is that you have to change this the upper chart to 30 minutes chart first. So for now I can just pick whatever currency pairs I want to change to, and then I will see later if I want to change to other currency pairs. So now I will change it to Euro and US dollar. Yep, Euro and US dollar, and then we can come to this button here on the right. Just click on it and I can choose the option period. So again, choose the 30 minutes option period for the upper chart. I say upper chart is because that we will need to use two charts for this 303 strategy. So to add charts, you just come to this bar on top here and then just click on add chart. Just click on it, and then now you can choose the currency pair you want to add. So you will have to pick the same currency pair as you pick for the upper chart here, which I picked the Euro and US dollar. So for the lower chart I will choose a same currency pair, which is the Euro and US dollar. So just click on it. So now I have another chart below the upper chart here. So for this second chart here, we will again, I'm not sure why it's gone, but I will choose again. So choose the same currency pair. So Euro and US dollar. Yep, click on it, and then now it's default set to 3 minutes option period. But if yours is not 3 minutes, just change it to 3 minutes option period. So that's why we call it the 303 strategy, because we are using the 30 minutes chart and 3 minutes chart, which is the 303. So yep, that's quite easy to understand. So that's the setting you need to do, and if you have done this, then you're ready to go. Now let's talk about the 303 strategy. It's really not that hard. So the only thing you need to remember is that we are using the 30 minutes chart to look for trends, and then we are using the 3 minutes chart to make our purchase. So if you spot any trend within the 30 minutes chart, and you jump to the 3 minutes chart and you make your purchase here. So yep, it's that simple. And next I will talk about how to spot trends. Alright, now we are looking at Japanese US dollar and Japanese yen. It's actually forming an uptrend here because if I connect all the bottom points here, I can see a trend line that is going up. So this 1, 2, 3 points here, and then if I draw a line across it, then the line is gonna face up. And when the price reach this trend line, is most likely it's gonna go up. It's gonna bounce back, because when you trade with binary option, the price always move like zigzag. When the price goes up and down, ups and down, when they reach the trend line, they will always bounce back. So yep, just keep that in mind. Alright, it's actually better to purchase it when the price has reached the trend line. For example, when it's uptrend, it's better to wait for the price to come down a bit, and then when it reaches the trend line, it's the perfect timing to purchase. And when you use this 303 strategy together with the signal, you just have to look at this the signal that it gives out, whether it's strong buy or strong sell. If the 303 strategy, like the 30 minutes chart, is giving you a uptrend trend line, then you will have a look at the signal. Then if it says strong buy, then it's a good time to purchase. You just need to match the two different information together. If they're matched, then it's a good time to purchase. So well, for now I think it's a really good chance to trading for high, because now you see this price has reached the trend line here, and then at the same time the signal here tells me it's a strong buy, which means high. And now we'll talk about on the signal for a bit. So when you use the signal, there's only one thing you need to remember. Just you only purchase when it says strong buy or strong sell. Other than that, you don't make your purchase. So you might see the signal like neutral, sell, or buy, but when those three comes out, you don't make your purchase. You only make your purchase when it says strong buy or strong sell. Alright, so now I will make a few trades to show you guys how it actually works. Alright, now we are looking at British pound and US dollar. So we can see that it's a downtrend here, which I can collect all the top price there, and then there's a line that is pointing down. So now the price is actually quite close to the trend line, so which means it's gonna go down again. Alright, so now I'm just gonna change the other chart to the British pound and US dollar as well. So just make sure we are looking at the same chart. So let's have a look at the signal as well. So for British pound and US dollar, it's strong sell, which means low. So these two indicators match with each other, and then now I'm just gonna wait until the really last moment to make my purchase. And yep, it's getting really close to the trend line, and just waiting for a bit more. Yep, got it. So now we will have a look how it goes, and I will remind you on the most important points that you need to pay attention to while you're using this method. So the first one, you have to spot a trend within the 30 minutes chart. So the second one is that you have to match the signal with the 30 minutes chart, which we want the same result. The 30 minutes chart is giving me a downtrend, then I want the signal to give me a strong sell signal. So yep, that's it for these two indicators. And then for the 30 minutes chart, I want to purchase it at the time when the price is really close to the trend line. So this pretty much the most important thing you need to remember while you use this method. Alright, so let's take a look at the chart again. So just now when I purchased it at really close to the trend line. So once I purchase it, the price started to drop. And yep, now the trade is finished, and let's have a look at the history. So yep, trade history. So yep, this is the first profit I got today, $210. Alright, so now let's get back to it. Alright, so now we're looking at the US dollar and Japanese yen, and I can see a potential downtrend there. So let's change the lower chart to US dollar and Japanese yen as well. So cause now I can see that when I connect the top point, I can see a trend line there, and it's going down. So now what I'm waiting is that I'm just gonna wait until the really last moment before it goes into the stop line. So by then I will make my purchase if the trend is still there. So for now we'll just wait for a bit. Alright, so now the price is on the trend line, so I think it's a really good timing to purchase. So what I'm doing is just wait for a little bit more until yep, it's almost there. And I can see that on the signal page it's giving me a strong sell signal, which means it's going down. So yep, I just made my purchase, and we'll wait for another minute to see if I'm gonna get this trade. So yep, now let's have a look at the trade history. So yep, 2 trades in a row, and now the profit comes to $420. So yep, I will do one last trade to show you guys how it works. Well, we're still looking at the US dollar and Japanese yen, because the downtrend is quite obvious, and and then the signal on the right is telling me strong sell, so everything is good. So again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the last moment, and the price now is actually on the trend line, so which is really good, really good timing to purchase. So yep, just a few more seconds there, and I will make my purchase. Alright, so I just made my purchase, so yep, so now we will just have to wait, and I will use this time to sum it up again for you guys. So when you use this method, you always use the 30 minutes chart to look for the trend line. So once you confirm the trend, you have a look at the signal web page there on the right, and then if these two indicators match with each other, then it's a good timing to purchase. And the timing you purchase is where the price is almost goes into the stop line. So yep, that's all you need to remember while you use this method. And now let's take a look back on the binary option platform here. So it's going down, and it's obvious that I'm gonna win this trade here. So yep, it's finished. So we'll have a look at the history. Yep. Alright, there's 3 trades in a row, and within, I guess, 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes, I got $630. So well, it's a really good method to trade with. Make sure you give it a try. And yep, that's it for today, and I will see you soon again. Bye.